go ahead. Go ahead for this. Okay, here I've already made some, so I put the beads, lapis. Fold and fold. These are the small, cute 3mm beads. Fold. Okay, we started at the middle. Go through inside. Here, tight and wrap here 2 times. Then it's the same way. That's it. Miss the picture. I show you the picture from Patricia, right here. Here, she made the bracelet by the UV resin on the chain. You can try it as well. Here, this. See, you can make the different color you want. Any color. Very interesting. It's UV resin. The color is you mix the color by yourself, or you buy the UV resin with the color already. Here in the factory, they need to adjust the color by ourselves. But you buy the UV resin, is the color already have. Buy it with the color already, or you can mix. Oh, okay. Because in factory we mix by ourselves. But I'm not good at mix the color. The worker know how to mix. So if I want to get the reason, I was thinking if I can buy something ready made. Okay. Here. So this hang on stangle. Oh, it's interesting. Here. This. The space is small. So I think any chain can be attached on the beads. Yes, it's interesting to make. Here, wrapper and the wrapper. So this part you also have to use the cutting plier. That is good to cut. Okay. Dip it and painting it and dip it to make a flower. Okay, let me have a look. Here. So I'm not only to use the beads. We can use it to make the UV resin. UV resin. Yeah, let's see. Waiting for a moment. Wow! I remember I tried it last time by kind of glue, I think. But finally, I do it not so much successful. I think failed. And now, well, nice. What's this inside? Is the real leaf? So, do you need to put one layer the clear color, then the second layer with the colored, then the last layer with the clear color like that? Or just one time? Here. No, it's a wrapped wire, your wire. I dip it in the resin, then I hand painting it, then I dip it. Ah, hand painting it, then with the dip it again. All in the UV resin. Well, we can use the wire, make some beautiful things in this idea. It's so cute. So cute. Seems I have some new idea. I want to get the glue and have a try. Get the UV resin. I'm going to get a real UV resin to have a try. Ah, nice. Who? Southern crab? Here. This. You made it to Southern crab a pair of earring. I think so. She had me laser some dog tags and I sent it to her as a gift. Wow. So nice, dear. I'm so happy here. You find a new friend in my live streaming. It's really a good place. If you have a small enough loops, sometimes nail polish works. Yeah. Oh, I remember last time I'm not use the resin UV resin. I'm use the nail polish. 用指甲油做的上次 Yes, yes. About 2 years ago. Yeah, I remember. About 2 years ago, I tried that way. It's an interesting way. Yes. Yeah. I'm going to try. It seems interesting. Yeah. Try the nail polish on big loop and it was a fail. And nail polish need to make it in a small piece, a small petal. Okay, okay. Yeah, because the blue mixed with the white color always nice. I see many nice design with the two color mixed together. So I tried as well. And it can be as a match for the bracelet here. This, yeah, here. This can be a necklace can match the bracelet. Here. Tight. I'm going to try. It seems so interesting. Okay, we done all the piece. Okay, here, just this way. Cute necklace. A very cute necklace, like your butterfly that you make out of the wire. You could make their wings with colors. Yes, and we can put some dry flower or something inside. I'm going to have a try. Feel so much interesting. I'm going to buy the UV resin. Here. Okay. Going to close this necklace. Apply my clasp. Okay. I'm use the jumping, the basic size, not any very small size. It's just the 0.6 and 4. Here. Extender. Did you join the 4 into resin before putting it into your piece? We will save a lot of trouble. 4 into put into your piece. Okay. I will be try if I meet the problem. I will ask you because I have bought that piece. I have this. I have this. I'm going to try. So I'm going to try it. It's interesting. Yeah. First I'm going to be going live and probably going to teach this. Yes. Here. This. Here. It's a good, interesting way to play with it. This. Here. Okay, a necklace. Interesting. Okay. So a cute necklace, just a simple necklace, daily wear, simple. Here, this. Okay. One piece of Davis always wear gloves when playing in rhythm. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so here we done the design. Then I'm